Welcome to India's cosmic journey, from Akashganga to ISRO. We are exploring a story that spans millennia, from ancient wisdom to modern space supremacy. The Milky Way is a majestic spiral of 200 billion stars, spanning a massive 100,000 light-years. But India's connection to this galaxy is even deeper and older than modern science itself. Our journey started thousands of years ago, laying the groundwork for cosmic understanding. Ancient Indian sages described the Akashganga not just as a band of light, but beautifully, as a celestial river flowing across the sky. Pioneers like Aryabhata correctly identified the Earth's rotation and the scientific cause of eclipses long before the rest of the world caught up. Next, we explore how ancient Indian contributions to mathematics became the essential language of the cosmos. The invention of zero and the decimal system became the fundamental tools that today's astrophysicists use to calculate the staggering distances between stars and the age of the universe. This ancient mathematical foundation provides the precision needed for modern astrophysical calculations, mapping the universe with accuracy. The 20th century saw Indian brilliance redefine physics with groundbreaking astronomical theories. A young Subramanian Chandrasekhar calculated the Chandrasekhar limit, revealing the fate of dying stars and the inevitable birth of black holes, a discovery so profound it earned a Nobel Prize. Simultaneously, Meghnad Saha developed the ionization equation, which acts like a DNA test for stars, allowing us to know exactly what a star is made of just by analyzing its light. Today, India is no longer just observing, but actively mapping the cosmos, making massive structural discoveries. This includes the discovery of the massive Saraswati Supercluster, one of the largest structures in the universe, demonstrating India's role in charting cosmic geography. The giant microwave radio telescope, GMRT, in Pune is world-class, listening to the faintest whispers of the early galaxy, pushing the boundaries of radio astronomy. India's space agency, ISRO, is now actively pushing boundaries with major missions. With ISRO's AstroSat, India has an orbiting space observatory studying the universe across multiple wavelengths from above us. Missions like Aditya L1 are pushing boundaries, focused on studying the sun and further cementing Bharat's position as a space exploration superpower. Bharat has evolved from an ancient land of stargazers to a modern superpower of space exploration, proving that our curiosity is as infinite as the Milky Way itself. Thank you for joining this cosmic journey.